Hi, good morning YouTube. This is Nick with NK Landscaping again as usual, and today we're going to be doing some brush cutting for a long-time client. So we got the 72-inch RUT Terminator XP. It's a really nice brush cutter we've had for a while now on our Bobcat T66. So this is a maintenance cut we usually do once or twice a year for this client. We've done a lot of work for them, including putting in this pad for the shed and the garden here. This is a little tight. They built the garden a little bigger than we had expected, leaving us just enough room to get the skid steer by here. So if you look from your perspective on my right there, that's a pretty steep cliff that goes down. That's all fill material. And you can see just in a second here, it's going to get a little steeper for me. So I was happy I was able to make it, but whoop, there we go. A little bit of tippage. Keep that brush cutter nice and low so we don't tip. And we're going to get to work here. So this is a section we cleared out for them, I'd say 2 years ago now. This was all overgrown and they wanted access down to their lower property. So we'll see this in a bit later in the video here, but there's a section to our right here that we cleared out for them a long time ago. And it actually has access to the rail trail right below them. So they like walking, riding their bikes and stuff. So they wanted to open up this area that we're cutting now to get their ATV down to the previously cleared area. So like I said, every maybe 6 months or so we'll come in. We'll do a maintenance cut for them now just to get things looking a little better so they have access for their ATV to get down to the rail trail. And across from the rail trail is Whaley Lake there. So I'm working on the slope here. This is all maybe... it hasn't been done in a while, so I'd say 8 months worth of growth. RUT is taking care of it, no problem. Working on the hill is always a little bit fun, just because getting started, especially here, you got to clear your area. I don't want to turn and rip up the ground too much. I just want to cut the overgrowth. I don't want to expose the dirt, because then we're going to get erosion and stuff. So the drone didn't get any sound here of me brush cutting, so I'll just throw some music up, but you can enjoy the rest of the brush cutting. It's very satisfying. I love a good brush cutting video and a brush cutting job. This was on a weekend, so I just put my headphones in, listen to some music, and start cutting some overgrowth. So let's get into it, and hope you guys enjoy.